name is Chris Willingham. We're here at Mosey for the STEM Summit.
Hi, my name is Chris Piava. I'm a member on Team Duct Tape. Today's our fifth meeting of the 2011 season. We made a lot of progress today, especially in mechanical. We perfected our arm design, came up with some pretty good ideas. We finished our ball collection system, so it's now working and operational. And our programmers made great success in magnetic sensor equipment. So all in all, lots of progress made this week.
$148.
Join us next week. The awesomeness continues.